How to turn $1,500 into $5.5 billion. Welcome aboard Money Ocean, your portal to the world of finance, wealth creation, and success stories. Today, we're diving deep into the remarkable journey of transforming $1,500 into a staggering $5.5 billion. A man whose journey from modest beginnings to incredible wealth echoed the American dream in its purest form, resided in the small hamlet of Anchorage, Kentucky, tucked away inside the peaceful charm of its surroundings. Although he went by John, the world knew him as Papa John, the entrepreneurial founder of a pizza company that grew from a $1,500 investment to an incredible $5.5 billion wealth. The story of Papa John's ascent to fame was one of tenacity, resourcefulness, and unyielding resolve. Originating from a basic concept and cultivated by unwavering dedication, his tale developed into a masterwork of business triumph. All of this started in 1995, not long after Papa John's went public. While guiding us around Anchorage's narrow streets, John gave us snippets of information about his past and present. He told stories of his time spent working at Rocky's and Domino's, where he laid the groundwork for his eventual pizza empire. Equipped with a mere box containing recipes, tools, and an aspiration, he set out on a mission to transform the pizza sector. John's early years were characterized by bold decisions and cunning plans. He did everything in his power to promote Papa John's, even going so far as to go dumpster diving for Domino's receipts and personally interacting with patrons. Driven by an unrelenting devotion to excellence and a deep-seated belief in the superiority of his product, his tireless pursuit of achievement had no limitations. But ideals were more important to Papa John's success than pizzas. John was a quality-conscious person in every way. It wasn't just in the kitchen. From growing his own organic farm to promoting honesty in business, he never wavered in his quest for greatness. John offered insights into his investment philosophy and the tenets that informed his financial choices while guiding guests across his expansive estate. His strategy, which included dividend stocks as well as gold and oil, was based on long-term thinking and pragmatism. John saw wealth as more than just a status symbol. It was a way to empower himself and make a positive difference in the world. But even in the midst of all this luxury, John managed to stay wonderfully grounded. His deep humility and thankfulness kept his appreciation of life's finer things in check. He was quite open about the transforming potential of money and the associated responsibilities, stressing the significance of leaving a lasting legacy and contributing back to society. John considered what real achievement really meant as the day came to an end. For him, leading a life filled with passion and purpose was more important than having a lot of money or other belongings. It was about putting relationships first, embracing innovation, and changing the world for the better. In the end, Papa John's trip proved to be a monument to the perseverance of human labor as well as a tale of financial triumph. It served as a reminder that everything was possible if you had vision, persistence, and a little bit of imagination. John's impact would be felt for many generations to come, as the sun set over Anchorage and put a golden glow over his estate. Because in the middle of Kentucky, among the undulating hills and lush scenery, the story of Papa John would live on in the pages of history for all time. There are a number of priceless lessons that we may learn from Papa John's extraordinary journey, including the following. Number 1. Resilience and persistence. Papa John remained resilient and continued to follow his dreams despite the fact that he was confronted with a great number of obstacles and failures. His unyielding resolve serves as a striking illustration of the fact that achieving success frequently necessitates tenacity in the face of challenges. Number 2. Ingenuity and innovation. Papa John's success came from challenging established norms and thinking creatively beyond conventional boundaries. As a result of his readiness to innovate and adapt to changing conditions, he was able to carve out a niche for himself in an industry that was exceptionally competitive. Number 3. Commitment to quality. The unshakable devotion to quality that Papa John has, whether it is in the ingredients that go into his pizzas or the integrity of his business processes, highlights the significance of perfection in every effort. The quality of a product or service not only draws in customers, but also inspires trust and loyalty. Number 4. Financial prudence and long-term thinking. Based on pragmatism and a long-term view, it exemplifies the significance of exercising financial discipline. By putting stability and sustainability at the forefront of his priorities, he was able to construct a solid financial foundation for both himself and his company. Number 5. Gratitude and humility. Despite the enormous success he had achieved, Papa John chose to maintain his modesty and gratitude for the blessings he had received. His humility serves as a reminder that one should always remember to appreciate the trip and never forget where they came from, regardless of how far they may rise in life. Number 6. Purpose and impact. More than wealth and material belongings, Papa John emphasized the significance of living a life with a purpose and having a positive impact on the world. He believed that this was more important than wealth and material possessions. It is a testament to the transforming potential of leveraging one's resources for the greater good that he has made a commitment to giving back to society and leaving a legacy that stays with future generations. Number 7. Creativity and adaptability. The fact that Papa John is willing to experiment, innovate, and adjust to different situations demonstrates how important it is to be creative and flexible in order to achieve success. Continuously developing and welcoming new ideas can help one stay ahead of the curve and seize opportunities as they arise. Number 8. Authenticity and integrity. Throughout his journey, Papa John never wavered from who he was and the principles that he held dear. He exemplified authenticity and integrity in everything that he did. Not only did his dedication to honesty and transparency increase the level of trust he had with his clientele, but it also helped to cultivate a culture of accountability within his firm. In summary, the narrative of Papa John acts as a source of motivation, serving as a reminder that we are capable of overcoming challenges and accomplishing great things in our own lives if we have the passion, endurance, and commitment to excellence that these qualities require. As we conclude our voyage through Money Ocean, we trust you've gleaned valuable insights and inspiration. Join us next time as we continue to navigate the seas of finance, uncovering the secrets to prosperity. Until then, may your ventures be prosperous and your horizons limitless. Farewell from Money Ocean.